The market for factors of production. The market for factors of production is a crucial component of the economic system, where the demand and supply of the various inputs or assets in the production process are determined. This market plays a vital role in allocation scarce resources and ensuring the efficient functioning of the economy as a whole. Understanding the dynamics of the market is essential for business, policymakers, and economists alike. Next, understanding the market for factors of production. One definition: the market for factors of production refers to the marketplace where the demand and supply of the various inputs assets in the production process such as labor, capital, land, and entrepreneurship are determined. Two, participants. The main participants in this market are the firms, demanders of factors, and the household suppliers of factors. Three, significances. This market plays a crucial role in allocation scarce resources and ensuring in the efficient functioning of the economy as it determines the prices and quantities of the factors of production assets in the production process. Types of factor markets. A labor market, the market where the demand and supply of labor, both skilled and unskilled, are determined. This includes the wages and employment levels for different types of workers. A capital market, the market where the demand and supply of capital, such as machinery, equipment, and financial resources, are determined. This affects the cost and availability of capital for businesses. Land market, the market where the demand and supply of land, including natural resources and real estate, are determined. This affects the cost and availability of land for production and other economic activities. Next, demand for factors of production. One, derived demand. The demand for factors of production is derived from the demand for the final goods and service produced. Firms will demand more factors if they can produce and sell more of their products. 2. Marginal revenue products. The demand for a factor of production is determined by its marginal revenue products, which is the additional revenue generated by employing on more units of the factor. 3. Factor affection demand. The demand for factor of production is influenced by factors such as the price of the final product, the availability and prices of substitute factors, and the productivity of the factor in question. Next, supply of factors of production. Servation wage, the minimum wage at which individuals are willing to supply their labor or other factors of production. This is influenced by factors such as the cost of living, alternative income sources, and personal preferences. Mobility of factors, the ease with which factor of production can move between different uses or locations. Factors with higher mobility, such as capital, tend to have more elastic supply curves. Factor affecting supply. The supply of factors of production is influenced by factors such as the number of available workers, the level of technology, government policies, and the overall economic conditions. Equilibrium in the factor market. 1. Demand and supply interaction. The market for factor of production reaches equilibrium when the demand for a factor equals the supply of the factor, resulting in a market clearing price and quantity. 2. Adjustments to equilibrium. If there is a shortage or surplus in the factor market, the price of the factor will adjust until the market reaches a new equilibrium point where the quantity demanded equals the quantity supplied. 3. Efficiency and allocation. The equilibrium in the factor market ensures the efficient allocation of scarce resources, as factors of production are distributed to their most available uses, maximizing the overall economic output. Next, factor influencing the factor market. Technological changes. Advancements in technology can alter the demand and supply of factors of production. As new technologies may make some factors more or less productive. Government policies such as taxation, subsidies, and regulation can significantly impact the factor market by affecting the demand and supply of factors. Demographic changes, shift in the population, such as change in the age distribution or migration patterns, can influence the supply of labor and other factors of production. Economic conditions. The overall status of the economy, including factors like inflation, interest rates, and business crisis, can affect the demand and supply of factors of production.